Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, as you can tell, I am doing a red, white, and blue theme to go with the election day today. However, this theme can be used for any patriotic day, 4th of July, or whatever you guys like. So I'm gonna go through and show you what we did. And actually, I did this last minute. Probably took me about 45 minutes or so. And most of the items came from the Dollar Tree or things that I had around my house. So let's get started. Alright, so first thing I have are my Dollar Tree plastic tablecloth, which is at the bottom. It's just the red plastic tablecloth. And I just blew up a few of the Dollar Tree balloons. Here for my table runner, it is actually it's a chair sash that I already had from previous parties. The Dollar Tree does carry table runners. I'm not sure if they have, actually they do have red, but I'm not sure if they carry the blue. But just to kind of tie in the theme of the red and blue, I have the red on one side and have the blue on this side. And in the middle, I have just the white tablecloth underneath. And I took some paper and I cut out some stars in different colors.
My too, Mommy.
Sorry, my baby's trying to help.
My too, Mommy.
Okay, 1 second, boo-boo. And I cut out some red stars, some blue stars, and then I already...
Mommy burp?
No, I didn't burp, you burp. I cut out some red stars, some blue stars, and then I already had the yellow that you see here. What else on the table? So I have my Dollar Tree tray right here. So I have some goodies. I think I'm going to make some chocolate covered strawberries. And we have some chips and dip and all kind of food that we're really not supposed to be eating. But hey, it's an exciting day today. Then I have my, if you can guys can tell, I have like these sand buckets right here. I have 2 and I have them in blue. And I just have them turned upside down with my 2 large Dollar Tree bowls on top. And they're just sitting there. I'm going to probably use a little hot glue just to kind of attach them so that they don't fall over. But we're going to put like our chips. And next we have this blue like bin right here. And it's another Dollar Tree bin. And just to kind of tie everything in again, I have the blue bin and have the red star. Next, I have these Dollar Tree jars with the Dollar Tree bling wrap. So I have that one with the red tissue paper inside and a Dollar Tree candle. And then on this side, I didn't actually have any blue bling. I couldn't find any, so I just have the red bling on this one as well. The jar, Dollar Tree candle, and the blue tissue paper. I was looking at this, like, this looks like fireworks, right? Like, especially when I turn the lights on. Yeah, my kids were like, no. But anyway, for the, also, I have a balloon stand right here. I already had the stand, and I'll put a link below so you can see where I got this from. I love it. I use this for a lot of my events and parties. And I have the Dollar Tree balloons. My backdrop, now the backdrop is the blue is actually a Dollar Tree tablecloth, and the red are the curtains I've already had from a previous party. But if you guys don't have the curtains like this, no problem. You can actually just use red tablecloths instead of the sequin ones that I have in the back. And the lights you guys see, I just got these today. They came in. I love them because they change colors. Just to tie my theme, I have the white on, but let me show you guys. You can change the colors. I believe there's like 16 different colors. You have the red, blue, purple, and all different kind of colors, but I'm going to leave it on the white. Now, I'm pressing this button right here to change the colors, but it actually came with a cute little remote that already has the colors. And let me see if I can get it back to white. Okay, so I have the white. Oh, I don't know. I'll fix it. But anyway, next I have some more of the stars that I just cut out by hand of just red paper. And what else do we have? And then I just have the smaller stars right here. And then here I made this banner. And of course you can say it says USA. But guys, after I put this thing together, look at my S. It's upside down. This is just like a symbol of how 2020 is. Everything is turned upside down. So I was going to fix and redo it, but I'm going to keep this just to remember how crazy 2020 was. So I'll leave that. But other than that, you guys, that is everything I did. And again, everything mostly came from the dollar store or I already had. So this was so easy to put together. It only took me 45 minutes or less. The hardest part was trying to get the lights up here and trying to, because they come like, you have to like unravel them. So they come like this. Let's see if I can show you guys. It's kind of hard to see, but you kind of have to go through, and it takes a long time. So I'm not sure how wide this thing is. It's a lot wider than what you see. I just have it hidden behind. So I just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strands showing, and that's all we need for what we're trying to do. So I'm gonna finish getting the food and kind of setting up everything. All right, so that pretty much wraps it up, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And also I forgot to show you guys the stars on the front. Same thing, I just did cutouts of those as well. And yeah, all right, so if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already for more videos like this. And I would chit chat with you guys later. Take care, stay safe.